Is your Garland convection oven acting up and slowing down your kitchen? Do not worry. Most problems are easy to fix when you know what to check. Garland convection ovens are reliable machines in busy commercial kitchens. But even the best ovens can develop issues like uneven cooking, overheating, or not heating at all. Welcome to PartsFe. Understanding how your oven works makes troubleshooting simple. The heating elements produce heat. The fan spreads that heat evenly. The thermostat controls the temperature. The door seals lock the heat inside. And the control board manages the entire system. If your oven is not heating properly, the issue may be with the heating elements, the thermostat, or the fan. If you notice uneven cooking, the problem is usually related to airflow or a weak fan. Loose or worn door seals can also let heat escape and reduce performance. If your oven has ignition problems, inspect the igniter, the gas supply, or the control board. Many fixes start with basic steps. Clear any obstructions around the fan. Check the wiring for visible damage. Replace worn door seals. You can also calibrate the thermostat using an external thermometer. Regular cleaning and routine maintenance prevent most breakdowns and keep your oven working smoothly. By spotting issues early and taking quick action, you can keep your Garland convection oven running at its best. This saves time, money, and stress in the kitchen. For trusted commercial convection oven replacement parts, visit PartsFe.com in the USA, UK, and Canada. And be sure to check out our blog, The Complete Guide to Troubleshooting Garland Convection Ovens on PartsFe.com. Follow us on social media for more expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thank you for watching.